Hi everyone, this is Bhushan Kumar. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new update. So let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we are going to learn how to create a new YouTube channel. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser and then type .com. Then enable desktop mode. So before that you have to create your Gmail account. Then click on a logo. Then create a channel. Get started. Bhushan Kumar. I will select Bhushan Kumar. Then later I can change it if you want, so you can change it. So add channel description. I mean, you will type what kind of channel you are making. So you have to type. So I'll type in this video, in this channel. So if you have site, so you can if you have site,